Holiday capsule wardrobes for European summer. European holidays are considered a serious investment. You've got your airfares, you've got your accommodation and your tours. You want to make sure that you pack effectively so you can have a great time and without feeling hassled. In just 5 easy steps, you'll see how just a few items will enable you to travel lightly, avoid overpacking, and be able to look and feel wonderful. I'm Antoinette Stonham. I'm from All About Style. I'm a passionate personal stylist. I love to help women dress with confidence, feel good about themselves, no matter what size or body shape they are, and most importantly, love what you see in the mirror. In this video, I'm going to share with you how easily it is to create a holiday capsule wardrobe for your European summer holiday. Step number 1, what is a capsule wardrobe? A capsule wardrobe is a collection of garments and articles that suit your lifestyle, your personality, and most importantly, for a capsule wardrobe to work well and flow properly, you need to think about what colours suit you best or what colours you are drawn to. Because in a capsule wardrobe, we want to limit the amount of colours. We want to stick to, say, 3 to 4 colours and colours that work together so you can mix and match. What is a holiday capsule wardrobe? A holiday capsule wardrobe is specific. It is actually specific to your holiday. So what you need to do is get your itinerary out. Have a look and see where you're going, what you're going to be doing, what the temperature is the temperature going to vary, how long your holiday is going to be, and are you going to be able to wash? So your holiday capsule wardrobe is specific to your trip. Are you going to be on a seaside? You're going to be going somewhere where it's cold and snowing. What we want to do is we want to think about all these things, have them written down, and that's going to help you start your capsule wardrobe. Choose your style. What style of garments am I going to take with me? What is my style? Do I like relaxed? Do I like boho? Am I more of a classic? Do I like monochronic dressing? What do I actually like? And it impacts on where you're going to go. If you're going to be traveling through cities of Rome and Paris, you want to look like you're traveling through a city, not traveling on a beach side. But if you're going to go to the Amalfi or you're going to go to a Greek island, then you're going to have clothes that reflect that part of the country. So you really have to think about where you're going and how long you're going to be in these destinations to the style of clothing you're going to be taking. Always think about where you're going to go and how you want to feel there, how you want to be seen there. So that is how you're going to choose your style and make it flow to where you're going to be. Choose your pieces. We've already had a look at our itinerary. We've had a look at see how long we're going to be there, and we've gone to have a look at the cities we're going to be. We've done a bit of research so we know how we're going to feel part of it, and the tours you're going to be doing, so you've had a look at that. It's time to choose your garments. It's time to go through your wardrobe and choose what you're going to be wearing. Do you need t-shirts? Do you need pants? Do you want to select some skirts with tops that'll go with them? Or do you just like dresses? Are you going to go to seaside? So you're going to need swimwear. We're going to need a cover up. We're going to think about our shoes, what we're going to be wearing. So you're going to go through your wardrobe and select these garments. Now, after you've laid these garments out, you're going to look at your color palette. You want to make sure that your tops go with your pants and that your dresses, you've got a little jacket to go on top. Think about how you're going to be selecting these pieces and how they're going to mix and match with each other, because that is the secret to creating that capsule wardrobe where everything flows together. And think about whether you want to take some jewelry with you. I love fashion jewelry and I love a bit of bling. I like to pack a fair few pairs of earrings, so I take about 4 or 5 pairs of earrings with me that go with my different outfits, and I like to pop them on. But if it's not your personality, then don't worry about it. And also wearing a lot of jewelry, I'm always very careful. When I'm traveling, I don't tend to wear all my good jewelry. So there's different things you need to think about. Oh, and a hat. You need a hat because it's going to be hot, it's your summer European holiday, and sunglasses. Think about you and what you might need in your holiday, and they're going to be the extra accessories you'll take with you. If you found these tips helpful, comment below and let me know how I've helped you. Need to know how to pack your holiday capsule wardrobe? Watch 6 travel tips to avoid overpacking. While you're here, make sure you check out my other videos on my All About Style YouTube channel to help you.